The Apple Watch Ultra 2 builds upon the solid foundation of its predecessor, delivering enhanced features aimed at adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. Design and build quality. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 sports a rugged yet refined design, featuring a larger 49mm titanium case that provides durability without being overly heavy. The flat sapphire crystal display is brighter and more scratch-resistant than previous models, making it ideal for outdoor use. The customizable action button on the side is a standout feature, allowing quick access to various functions like starting a workout or marking a waypoint. Display. The always-on Retina display is vibrant and can reach up to 3,000 nits of brightness, ensuring excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. The large screen makes it easy to read notifications, messages, and fitness stats at a glance. The improved display responsiveness enhances the overall user experience, whether you're navigating through apps or checking your fitness metrics. Performance. Powered by the latest S9 SiP, the Ultra 2 delivers smooth performance with snappy app launches and multitasking. The watchOS experience is seamless, offering a wide range of apps and features that cater to fitness, communication, and health monitoring. Siri integration is responsive, allowing for hands-free control and quick queries. Health and fitness features. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 excels in health and fitness tracking. It includes advanced metrics for various activities, including running, cycling, swimming, and diving. The built-in GPS is highly accurate, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. New health features like improved heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, and sleep tracking provide comprehensive insights into overall wellness. The watch also offers unique features for divers, including depth tracking and water temperature readings. Battery life. One of the standout improvements is battery life. The Ultra 2 can last up to 36 hours on a single charge, depending on usage. This extended battery life is particularly beneficial for long hikes or multi-day adventures where charging options may be limited. Additionally, a low-power mode allows for even longer use in a pinch. Connectivity. The watch supports LTE, allowing for calls, texts, and data usage without needing your iPhone nearby. It also features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and family setup for those who want to manage multiple devices. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is a compelling choice for outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and anyone looking for a robust smartwatch. With its rugged design, advanced health metrics, and impressive battery life, it offers great value for its price. Thank you.